Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing for you. Louis Vuitton has always been one of my favorite brands, so definitely wanted to share with you my recent pickup. Quick announcement guys, before we get into the unboxing. I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon on my channel. If you've been following me for a while, then you know that giveaways has always been a fun part of my blog and my YouTube channel, and I've been waiting to hit a certain milestone here on YouTube before I did my next giveaway, and I'm really getting close to it guys. So if you would subscribe and give me a thumbs up to help me reach my goal, that would be awesome. But I'm going to be giving away an Hermes item here soon. It's something that I've been planning for quite a bit, so I hope you guys like it. But definitely remember to like this video if you like giveaways and unboxings, and also subscribe if you haven't already. I feel like Louis Vuitton over years, I've definitely changed from more of their handbags to loving travel and SLGs specifically, small leather goods. And I've been wanting to pick up some new Louis Vuitton leather goods to kind of put into my rotation and to use for travel. So let's get into the unboxing. So first thing in the bag is my Louis Vuitton receipts. So Louis Vuitton receipts now are like these smaller cards. Just flip open. I'm not going to show you my actual receipt, but there's like a little card there. That card just is like a thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton, and it describes some of Louis Vuitton's services. So I have two items to share. Which one should I show you first? I'll show you the big one first. So Louis Vuitton dust bag down in there, and this, I think you guys saw the color. This is my new Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch in the epi leather in the color fuchsia. Of course, silver tone hardware, but I am just stunned at how vibrant the fuchsia is coming up on camera. It looks so gorgeous. I love this color guys. Just that's the interior there. Side you have the stamp. This was made in France. And cards. So I have a Louis Vuitton epi booklet. When you get epi leather pieces, you always get a care booklet to go along with it. This is the little tag. Oh, there we go. So guys, this is my new cosmetic pouch. I can't wait to use this. Still has like the plastic on it and everything, but I thought this was beautiful. I've always wanted a cosmetic pouch for years, but what I carried in my handbag kind of changed, so I didn't need it for every day, but I still will be using this for travel and like when I'm out for the day, like work or doing lots of errands and I'm carrying a bigger bag, I will be using this. I've wanted one for years since the Louis Vuitton multicolor, and I just never picked it up during the multicolor time, and then multicolor is now discontinued and you can only buy it pre-loved, and it's really hard to come by one that I feel like is a reasonable price and in good condition. So I think this is the next best thing. Epi leather, which is one of my favorites by Louis Vuitton, and the fuchsia is just still fun and gives you that pop of color in your handbag. And there again is the Louis Vuitton, very subtle on the corner. I love this guys. So my second item comes in this smaller box, little dust bag. And look at this beauty. So this is a Louis Vuitton card case. Let me see, here are the tags. Let me see, I have to find the exact name of this item and put it down below. The SKU is M60166, but again, I'll find the exact name and put it below. So this is just the tag and the so it's a card case. Essentially, it's a little bigger than most of the card cases that they carry. So if you are checking this out, it looks a little bigger. As you guys know, I don't use traditional wallets anymore, so I was looking for something like this, and yeah, it's perfect. So you have 3 card slots here. I did get it hot stamped with my initials. You have another slot right here. Then you have the inside, which this is made in France. And then you have two more slots on the back. So you have two more slots on the back. I love the contrast to the monogram and the black leather. I really think it makes it very fun and get more modern. So I love this. And this is going to be my new wallet that I'm going to be using. I'm going to give my YSL card case a little bit of a rest, and I'm going to switch out into this soon. So that's it, guys. That's my Louis Vuitton unboxing. If you like unboxing videos, definitely give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and definitely remember to look out for my official giveaway coming up soon on my channel. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.